Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today our topic is about BODMAS rule. BODMAS is nothing but an acronym which is used to remember the order or priority of mathematical operations. In BODMAS, P stands for brackets, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We already know very well about arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For addition, we will add two numbers and that will generate sum. In multiplication, we will remove one number from another number. It will generate difference. Similarly, if you want to multiply two numbers, we will multiply those two numbers and we will generate product. And if we want to divide two numbers, we will divide and quotient is generated. So it's very clear if there are uh, only one op and we need to perform only one operations like 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 10 because 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. If you want to perform multiplication of multiple numbers like 2 into 4 into 6, we can perform it using like 2 into 4 equal to 8 and 8 into 6 is equal to 48. The real problem arises when there is a problem like 8 plus 4 minus 3 into 1 divided by 2. Mostly people will solve this as 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 minus 3 minus 1 is 3 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 equal to 4.5. Most people will solve this in this way, and there are other people who will solve this in another way. Like they will add these two numbers first, and then they will multiply these two numbers, and they will divide this, and after that they will divide 3 with 2 at first, and they will subtract this from 12, which gives 10.5. In first case we got 4.5 as answer. In second case we got 10.5 as answer. So we don't know which is the correct answer. There is a lot of confusion. In order to reduce this, the concept of BODMAS exists. Suppose let's consider the problem again. Minus 3 into 1 divided by 2. So using BODMAS, we need to give first priority to the brackets. So here 3 into 1 lies in between brackets. So according to BODMAS rule, first we have to perform this operation. So the equation will become 8 plus 4 minus 3 divided by 2. Uh, Here they are addition, subtraction, and division. According to BODMAS, addition and subtraction will have less priority than division. So first we need to perform division operation. So 8 plus 4 minus, we need to perform this division operation. So this operation gives 1.5. Now here addition and subtraction are remaining. In addition and subtraction, addition has more priority than subtraction. So first we need to add 8 plus 4 and then we need to subtract 1.5 from 12, which gives 10.5 as answer. So this is the correct answer for this problem. All other processes are wrong.